Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are just going to be diving into one of the most effective and easy to use strategies for scalpers, and that is the best 1 minute RSI strategy. Okay, so if you have been looking for a way to capture quick market movements and make precise trades, this strategy is for you. All right, it is based on the relative strength index. Let's just add the RSI to the chart. All right, the RSI is actually one of the most widely used indicators in Forex trading. And when combined with the 1 minute time frame, it can help you spot high probability entry points. Remember that as a scalper, you are looking for quick trades. You are looking for quality, fast-paced trades. All right. So if you are ready to learn how to incorporate the best 1 minute RSI strategy into your trading routine, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful strategies. Okay. Now, let us start by understanding the RSI, or the relative strength index. The RSI is a momentum oscillator that moves between 0 and 100. Okay, it helps traders identify whether a currency pair is overbought or oversold. Now, when the RSI is above 70, it indicates that the market is overbought. And when it is below 30, it indicates that the market is oversold. So the RSI gives you an insight into the strength of a price. Okay, so the RSI gives you insight into the strength of a price move and can help you spot potential reversals. But here's the key for scalpers, yeah? Using the RSI on the 1 minute chart allows you to spot quick short-term price movements, giving you the opportunity to act fast and capitalize on those moves. Now that we know what the RSI is, let us just talk about how to set it up for the best 1 minute RSI strategy. First, you will want to apply the RSI indicator to your chart on the 1 minute time frame. All right. The typical default setting for the RSI is 14 periods. Okay, but for this strategy, I recommend adjusting the RSI to a shorter period like 5 or 7. You can use 5 or 7. Okay, so that is to make it more responsive to the fast market changes seen on the 1 minute chart. Once your RSI is set up, you want to pay close attention to the levels at 70 and 30. These are the key thresholds for spotting overbought and oversold conditions. However, we won't just trade based on these levels alone. This is where the strategy comes into play. Okay, now let us talk about how to use the best 1 minute RSI strategy to identify potential buy and sell signals. For a buy signal, when the RSI falls below 30, it signals that the market is oversold, right? If the RSI then crosses back above 30, once it rises back above 30, it could be a sign that the market is reversing and may head higher. So this is a good point to consider entering a long position. For your sell signal, on the flip side, when the RSI rises above 70, it signals that the market is overbought. If the RSI then crosses back below 70, it could be a sign of a reversal to the downside. So this is a good time to consider entering a short position. Okay? The key is to wait for confirmation. Do not enter the trade as soon as the RSI crosses above or below these levels. Okay, wait for a clear shift in momentum to confirm that the reversal is likely to happen. All right. Now, risk management is crucial when scalping, especially with the best 1 minute RSI strategy. Since scalping involves fast trades, it is easy to get caught up in the moment, but you need to be disciplined. Okay? One of the best ways to manage risk is to use tight stop losses. For example, let's say that you got you can see price broke out from here. So let's say you got a buy signal. We got a buy signal around here from the RSI, and then price even broke out from this trend line. So that even validated the buy even more. So we would have considered entering a buy after this this bullish candle close. Stop loss can be below the swing low. All right, your stop loss should be just below the previous swing low for a buy position. Okay. Then if it is a sell position, maybe we are entering this sell in the direction of the trend. You can see the RSI. Okay, this one was horizontal resistance. The RSI gave us a sell signal, and let's say we waited for this second one and we entered here. You can set your stop loss above the recent swing high. So for your sell trades, stop loss is above the recent swing high. For your buy trades, stop loss is below the recent swing low. All right, so this ensures that if the market does not move in your favor, your losses are limited. Now, in terms of timing, the best way to scalp with RSI is to keep your trades short and sweet. Okay, short and sweet. So you should look for small price movements and take profit once you have captured enough movement. All right, typically around 5 to 10 pips. You can just target 5 to 10 pips and you're out. This is a scalping strategy. Okay, so for a scalping strategy on the 1 minute, sometimes 1 to 1 risk to reward is manageable, but if you can get 1 to 1.5, that's even better. Okay, you are looking for quick price movements and you want high probability trades. Okay, so you should pay attention to all those, and then also observe market structure. All right, to add to your confirmations, observe market structure. Maybe you notice price breakout from a key level and you get an RSI signal that supports that breakout. It's a high probability trade, or would I say it increases the confidence and the credibility of that trade or that signal. All right, remember that patience is key. Scalping is not about waiting for big moves. It's about catching small but frequent ones. So there you have it, the best 1 minute RSI strategy for quick and effective scalping. By using the RSI on the 1 minute chart, you can identify fast market moves and make informed decisions with precision. This strategy is simple to implement, but it requires quick decision making and strong risk management. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more trading tips and strategies. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you are already using the 1 minute RSI strategy in your own trading. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.